How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So end-to-end encryption is a feature or the added layer of security which has been added by Messenger for your chats and the call security. From the moment that they leave your device, it will be end-to-end encrypted and it will be remained private when you enable this feature. But in case if you want to remove this end-to-end encryption in Messenger, just you have to head into Messenger app. First thing first, make sure to log in on your Messenger account. Then let me show you the end-to-end encryption chats on this chat section. If you have any end-to-end encryption, then you can easily open it and view this. Underneath the view profile, we can see end-to-end encrypted. This means the messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption with our friends and family members. So in order to turn off this end-to-end encryption, you can simply tap on three line at the top left corner of the screen and then go to gear icon at the top right to access your settings and privacy page or this feed. Then when you scroll all the way down, you might see the option of go to secret conversation, but that option might not be available in every mobile devices or for every devices. So from this way, it is not possible to turn off that end-to-end encryption. What you can see or do, the best way I will teach you to turn off that end-to-end encryption is simply you can tap and hold that particular chat and the conversation and you can tap on delete icon. After that, this will delete all the chat history and it will also delete your end-to-end encrypted messages. So let's tap on delete and you can start a new conversation with this user where you won't see that end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So that is how we remove it or turn off the end-to-end encryption on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates and more tutorial videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.